Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this question. We have 9 exponent x multiplied by 9 exponent x is equal to 72, and we should find the value of 72. So we are going to solve this with no time. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky, exciting questions together. So let's write this first. We have a multiplied by a, which gives us a squared. Okay, so this we can rewrite it as 9 exponent x to bracket exponent 2 is equal to 72. Okay, so we are going to get 9 exponent 2x is equal to 72. So from here we introduce the laws of logarithm. So say that log 9 exponent 2x is equal to log 72. Okay, so we are going to get 2x log 9 is equal to log. Now, this 72, we can write it as 9 multiplied by 8, which is the same as 72. Okay, so we have 2x log 9 is equal to, when in logarithm, when 2 times are multiplying, we add, so get log 9 plus log 8. Okay, so from here, let's divide both sides by log 9. Divide by log 9. And this side too by log 9. So this we cancel this. We have 2x equal to, and then this part we will cancel this. It's 1 plus 8 over log 9. Okay. So now we have 2x is equal to 1 plus this log the 8, we can rewrite it as 2 exponent 3. This 9 can be expressed as log 3 squared. Okay, so our 2x is equal to 1 plus, now this 3 will be 3 log 2 on 2 log 3. So from here, you see that 2x is equal to 1 plus 3 on 2 multiplied by log 2 over log 3. Okay. So from here, say that 2 exponent x is equal to, now, can we write this as this, and if we are going to get 2 plus, okay, 3 log, when you change it to the form of simple log form, we're going to get 2 base 3 all on 2. Okay, so from here, say that we multiply both sides of the equation by half. So we are going to get 1 on 2 multiplied by 2x is equal to 1 on 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 log 2 base 3 all over 2. So in this one, we take off this 2, leaving x here, which is equal to, now, which is 2 plus 3 log 2 base 3 over this 2 multiplied by this, which is 4. Okay, so our x is equal to, instead of 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4 log 2 base 3. So our x is equal to 1 over 2 plus 3 3 log 2 base 3 over 4. So this is our final answer for the equation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.